Welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to show you green eye makeup. This is the makeup which I have done and I'll be telling you how to do this makeup. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
First of all, I'll be applying L'Oreal True Match foundation all over my face. This tip I have cut it short so that my video doesn't get so long. Now I'll be filling my eyebrows with the eyebrow pencil. Make sure that you do not skip this step. I'm doing this to give more definition to my eyes. Now I am using the compact powder to set my foundation. This step is really very important. It helps that the foundation stays for a long time. Make sure that you do not skip this step. The foundation which I am using is of Milani. Now I am starting with my eye makeup. First of all, I am going to take the dark green shade and making an outer V. I am going to fill my eyelids with this color. With the help of the round eye brush, I am going to gently put this color all over my eyes in this way. Now I am going to take the parrot shade and with the help of the flat brush I am going to mix this with my green shade to give a transition effect to my eyes. I am going to take this mustard shade and going to fill it with the parrot shade. Now I am applying concealer in the middle section of my eyes. This step needs patience. Now I'm using the green shimmery shade and I'm mixing it with my darker green shade on the outer edges so as to give more beautiful effect to my eyes. Now I'm taking the golden shade and with the help of my fingers I am going to apply this color in the middle section of my eyes. I feel that it's more easy to apply the shimmery shades with the help of the fingers, and this golden shade has really come out very well on my eyes. If you want, you can use some other colors also. It completely depends on your choice. Now I am mixing all the colors with the help of the eye brush so that my colors do not look sharp. With the help of the wipes, I am cleaning the mess created around my eyes. Now I'm taking this coffee brown shade and I'm filling this on the outer corner of my eyes to give more depth to my eyes. Now it's time to highlight my eyes. The highlighter which I am using is of Makeup Revolution. With the help of the flat eye brush, I am applying this highlighter on my eyes so as to highlight my eye makeup. If you do not have highlighter at home, you can use the ivory shade in your eyeshadow palette as the highlighter. I feel that this step is really very important as it completely transforms your eye makeup. Now I'm using the Lakme iconic Kohl Kajal, and I'm applying it on the waterline of my eyes. Now I'm applying this same kajal on my upper lids as well. Now I'm again taking the parrot eyeshadow, and with the help of the flat eye brush I'm smudging this parrot shade with my kajal. Now with the round brush I am mixing this parrot shade with my kajal. Now it's time for contouring. I am taking the dark brown shade and making a dark face. I am applying this dark brown color on my cheeks, on my nose, on my jawline. I feel that contouring completely changed the way your face looks. It looks more thin and it gives a shadow to your face and gives a 3D look to your face. If you want a separate tutorial for how to do contouring, please do tell me in the comment section below. Now I am applying this light pink blushers on the apple of my cheeks. Give a smile and apply the blushers on your cheeks. Now I am highlighting my cheeks. The highlighter which I have used this time is a liquid highlighter and the shade is light pink shade, and with the help of my fingers I am gently putting this highlighter on my cheeks. I am doing very minimalistic makeup on my face because I have done very intense makeup on my eyes. So I'm keeping the other makeup on my face very light, very subtle. Now I'm applying this sun-kissed shade of my glam on my lips. This shade goes perfectly fine with my eye makeup, and we are done with our makeup. This is the final look.
If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for more such notifications. Till then, bye bye, take care.